also, I kind of bought a bootleg sneaker. Shout out to Asos, man. We got to pick up from Asos or unbagging, unboxing, unbagging, review, whatever. But yeah, I guess they're still using bags. I haven't shopped. Ooh, I haven't got anything from Asos in a while. If you like look through my channel, I got like I bought some like dress shirts like a while back, which I think I've only worn one of those. I bought one for my birthday and never even put the joint on. And that was at least 2017, maybe 18. But yeah, bunch of random stuff in there. But at least it came in a box. I thought it would like be in a bag. Like they would just have the shoes out since they shipped in the bag, but put them in a box. So as you can see, a pair of Vans, like hey, something different. You know what I'm saying? This particular shoe I liked because the other version, I just couldn't pay for them personally. But since Vans went ahead and made their own version of these joints, I felt like it was okay for me to go ahead and cop now since it's actual release from the company. But yeah, look at these joints, man. These are fire, especially for the price I paid. I want to say it was like a flash sale for $37, $38. So yeah, any pair of Vans really for $40, $45. It's a steal in my book. You get the Vans Old Skool boat. As you can see, this is the reason I wanted these. Because if you've been following sneakers for a while, you know the Revenge Storms that Ian Connor joints dropped, and they just took the streetwear world by storm. And I was one of those people that I was like, yeah, I'm good. I'm not paying like $100 or whatever it was for a bootleg Van. And I just waited, and luckily Vans actually did this, put their own spin on it. The difference is, of course, you still have the Vans logo. I'm not sure what this is. All the Vans heads out there, let me know. Hit me down in the comments. But instead of the boat being here, is on the sole, which is dope. I mean, I like them. It's a Van. It's white and red. I don't have any white and red Vans, so definitely another good spring, summer shoe. You know what I'm saying? I mean, honestly, because you got the suede as well. You can wear these whenever, to be completely honest. But since the timing is now, transitioning into summer, well, you still got the latter part of spring going into summer. I just feel like I throw that out there. But yeah, you get the red suede, dark varsity red suede. You get some leather hits right here on the Vans logo. You get like kind of like an off-white cream upper canvas. It's canvas material throughout, and then you get that white midsole, which I think you can tell the difference. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but in hand you can definitely tell the difference. It looks like the suede is bleeding, like the material is bleeding on these, so I would definitely have to treat these with some protector before I wear them. But you also get that varsity red on the heel. Nothing crazy. Get the classic Vans insole. No different sets of laces in here, I don't believe. But I would just keep it OG all. Some people might throw some red in there or whatever. Do what you do, is your pair, not mine. So I don't care personally. But yeah, I just think it's a cool looking shoe, man. Especially with the right outfits, the right fits, the right pieces to I don't know, to bring out I don't know. But you could throw something together with these joints, man. You will not be disappointed at all, especially if you can get them on sale. I would just, if you're looking for these, just Google. I know a lot of places have them. Not sure of the prices. I know Vans, the actual Vans store. We went to the Galleria, not the Galleria. That's Houston. Tyson's Corner. I went to Tyson's Corner a few weeks back. We went to see a Defenders game. So shout out to the Defenders. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, y'all would have won the XFL championship. But yeah, it was. So we went down there. These are not this particular color. I think it was like the white and black and white and green. They were on sale, but I didn't really like those colors. Oh, I forgot. It got leather hits inside the ankle collar as well. The sock liner, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, like I said, a lot of places have these on sale. You just have to be patient, just shop around. Make sure you get the color that you actually want, and you can get them for a good price, man. So yeah, $40 for these all day, every day. I will definitely add another pair to the collection if I can catch another sale. But that's gonna be it for this one. Let me know what you guys think about this. I know I don't show Vans often on my channel, if at all. But as you can see, man, if I like it, I'm gonna buy it. It doesn't have to be hype. Doesn't have to be Jordan. But you know, if it's for the low and I like it, you know, I gotta get it. Appreciate y'all for watching.